Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna play again with my CABOODLE and specifically with the large die of the month, the botanical atrium, and the 3D embossing folder of the month, the stylized lattice, yeah, not lettuce. I'm gonna use the beautiful atrium, so let's start. And I'm just gonna die cut it in gold. This one is part of the treasure cardstock, is the shiny gold. And I'm gonna die cut this one with this. And I already attached at the back some double-sided adhesive sheet, so I will have a sticky die cut after that. So let me go and put this one down. Now I want to use some vellum. Now this is not vellum. This is a part of the packaging, you know, part of this packaging here. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit, enough to match this one. Now sometime when you cut it can break, so I'm gonna try to cut it, otherwise I will just scissor around. But yeah, I'm gonna have a base of vellum, and then I'm just gonna cut a couple of flowers in pink and a couple of leaves. Simple. Yeah, okay, let me die cut everything. So I'm gonna use this flower here and this flower here, and I'm gonna have the centers with these two flowers, and this one, and maybe I'm gonna cut this ones as well. Maybe. We'll see. And should I have a couple of butterflies as well? Why not? Let's put this one here just in case, and that's it for flowers. Yeah. Okay, so let me die cut everything and I'll be right back. So I already attached my embossed background to some gold cardstock. It's not full, of course. This one coming from here, so it's a hole, just the borders basically. And I attach with some foam, so it's got a bit of dimension already. Now, for the atrium, I remove all the bits that I don't need. I left a couple because I wanted to stay in the scene, so I'm just gonna remove the release paper. They're gonna stay here, but doesn't matter because I'm gonna attach them after, and try to center this one. There is a tiny borders that goes around, so just follow on the, there you go. I think that will do. Okay, I'm gonna press it down so it stay attached. It's already prettier, it is, but I'm gonna do something on it. But let's first attach my other two bits. What I decide to do, and hopefully it's gonna work, is to color the windows like if it was a glass, colored glass. So I just turn them around, and I choose some colors from my tree blend box, and I think I'm gonna start with some maybe yellow on the top. Oh no, actually I'm gonna put yellow on the bottom, so let's start with some pink on the top. Okay, so starting with the light color, I'm just gonna color this first section, and I don't need to worry too much as long as I stay inside those lines here. It's all good. Okay, I think I'm done. Now I need a couple of minutes to dry because it's still, but I think the result is quite fun. What do you think? I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. Okay, so leave a few minutes to dry. Meanwhile, I'm gonna do some ink blend. I'm gonna do directly here, why not? To give a bit of dimension to my flowers. So again, I'm choosing bold colors, so that is very unusual. But for me at least. And I think I'm gonna go, let's see, is this one purple enough or need to add some ink? Let's have a look. I'm gonna add some ink. Okay, so it's wilted violet I'm using. This is what do you call it? Is a blueprint sketch, I think it is. And that's it. I think it's fine. All right. I die cut the centers in. Maybe I need something for the center there. I need to have a look. And this one here. I'm gonna put it on the side and clean it in a minute. Okay, so let me glue my flowers before I do anything while that is still drying. It should be dry by now, but and I die cut some butterfly. Again, I didn't know what color to do, so I die cut in pink, sparkly white, and sparkly silver. So we decide which one looks better, yeah? So let's have a look at the card, the composition. So this one is gonna go like that. It's gonna be pop up a bit. I'm gonna put some foam behind where the flowers are, so you can't see on the vellum. So I need to decide first of all where to put the flowers and how to position them. So let's start with this. I definitely want it on outside, and this one like that. So one flower is gonna come out here like that, and one flower is gonna be like that here, and one leaf here. You know what, I think I need the white flowers because there's too much pink. What do you think? I don't know. Let me see. Let me put this one as well. I'm so indecisive sometimes. I'm so indecisive. I don't mind it. I just it looks a bit too dark somehow. What do you think? Am I being crazy? Probably I'm crazy, isn't it? You know what? I'll leave it. I'll leave it like that. Stop, Lorena. I need to kind of come out from my white or lighter color. I need some time to do something a bit bolder, so let's do that. But I'm gonna put the butterfly in white too, so that will make, there you go, and one here as well, flying here. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Oh, sentiment. Now, sentiment. I've got some of the oh, this one, hope you take fly, is quite nice. I've got some of them from, this one is from the Better Press of the month. So I've got hope your day take flight, or thanks, you're the best. And I die cut, I foil, those one are all foil. I think there is some Better Press as well. Yeah, this one is Better Pressed. But I do like the Better Pressed a lot, so let me choose. And this one, oh, this one, a little note to cheer up your day. That is quite nice. Maybe in gold. A little note to cheer up your day here. Okay, we're getting there. I think it's gonna work. All right, okay, let me just glue everything, and then I'll be right back. So I attach my flowers, leaves and butterflies, and I try to give a bit of dimension by attaching the butterfly just in the center and then pinch the things. I try to give a bit of dimension on this one as well. And for the center, actually, I'm gonna die cut the center again with the piece of gold left over. So I'm gonna give a golden center in a minute. But first of all, let me just put some foam tape on the back, so I can put everywhere I've got flowers, so it's not gonna be visible. So 1, 2, definitely I can put here. And then I can put in here with the big flower here, and I'm gonna have my, oh, here, maybe a smaller one. Let me go and grab the smaller ones. There you go, the same dimension. They are different type, but this one has the same height, so this one can go here. And now let me see where I can put my sentiment, so I can put some more foam at the back there. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna put my sentiment here, I think. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. So I've got another spot on the back to put my foam. That's it. This one doesn't have anything, but I think it should be all right. And then erase it a little bit. Okay. So let's attach it, and then I'll make my gold center. Oh, I can put one small one here, actually, in the center where the gold is. There you go. Never gonna be seen there. So give a bit more stable. There you go. And that's it. Now let me center it properly. Yeah, that's, I think here is not a little bit on the snout. That's it. And press down. I could have put some here as well, now that I'm thinking about, but that's not really need. Okay, cool. Yeah, I like it. Now let's do quickly my center. I'm just gonna grab my Scout. That's the convenience of the Scout. can do very quick die cutting. I think my mum is calling me. Mum, I will call you back in a few minutes. Let me finish this video so I can post it and then I'll call you back. I'm talking with my phone that is ringing. There you go. Very quickly so I can call my mum back. And the card for today is finished. I hope you like it. I had a lot of fun making it. You can still see the background, the embossed background behind my tinted glass. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me again today, for spending some time with me. I will list below everything that I use. Hopefully it's gonna be, I mean, you still have time to get it because it's you know, you have time till the 28, 27, so it's still a very little time if you want to get this one. So go for it. It's beautiful, it's fantastic, and I absolutely love it. But if you want to do it through my link, I'll get a little kickback, and that will help. But you have a lovely day, and thank you so much again, and see you next time. Bye.